Hello there, welcome back to another video. So you wanna know how to identify key levels or support and resistance zone. So I'm gonna show you just that today in this video. So firstly, I will start from a higher time frame. So okay, let's go to the 4-hour time frame, right? So on the 4-hour time frame, the first thing that I need to look at is my highest high and my lowest low. Okay, let me reset the chart. Yes. So my highest high is obviously here, right? Meaning that this is my highest and my resistance for the overall time frame. And this would be my overall support for the overall time frame, for my overall time frame. So now what you can also do is to draw a zone instead of this key level. You can also draw a zone like this, right? But I prefer on the higher time frames, right? I prefer key levels and not zones. But on smaller time frames, I prefer zones. So as you can see, I've spotted my support and my resistance, right? This is my lowest low and my highest high for the 4-hour time frame. And how will I set my key levels? So in order for you to set key levels, you will need to see where the market reverses the most. So you will at least find 3 places where the market reverses. So I see that the market reverses here, and reversed here, meaning that 3 confirmations, 3 reversals for my key level would be a stronger key level. So as I said, you can either draw a key level or a zone, but I prefer a zone, right? Okay. So I see that yes, the market reversed here, my first reversal, my second reversal. This is a fake out. This is my third reversal, meaning that the third reversal is a powerful reversal. As you can see, this power move to the downside. And I would move to the lower time frame on the 1 hour. So on the 1 hour time frame, on the 4 hour time frame, you would set your lowest low or your highest resistance, or your highest high or your highest resistance, or your lowest low or lowest resistance, and then you would identify your previous support and resistance, your previous key level. So I see that the market is giving me this key level, right? I see a reversal here, I see a reversal here. See that the market broke out and retested before forming my support, then it shot back up, came back to retest. This is a fake out, shot back up. So this is my recent support, this is my recent resistance. So this is somehow confusing, right? So that's why I say I prefer for you to draw it as a zone and not just as a key level, because zones are kind of more accurate. As you can see now, there's like more accuracy. You see the difference. This is my previous resistance, this is my previous support, right? And how, okay, so let me move to the lower time frame, right? So now that you know how to identify support and resistance, how would you, so in this case, how would you enter a position or a buy or a sell or a trade? So okay, I'll first show you what the market gave us. The market gave us this beautiful ascending type pattern, and normally ascending type pattern break to the downside. You can see it broke to the downside. The retested here. Okay, let me draw this as a key, not as a zone, because it confused me. So what I would do is to draw the trend line and spot my previous touch on the lower. If it is an ascending type pattern, I would look at my previous touch, right? So that if the market doesn't retest my zone, I would know that it might try to break my recent touch of the trend line, of this trend line here, and as you can see, it retested, then shooting back up. So you would enter a trade like this, right? So you will enter here at the retest. So if it broke out, you would have either placed a sell limit, or you would have waited for the market to retest. So you would place your stop loss just above your recent resistance, meaning that this is a strong resistance. As you can see, it's from a 4-hour time frame, right? So you would, for your take profit, you would calculate the size of the pattern, So this is the size of the pattern, and you can see, yes, the size of the pattern. Place it where the market broke out, right? Then you would set your target there. So this is what you would obviously do. So as you can see here, this is not really a high probability trade, because for me, I would place my stop loss where it invalidates my setup. So if this was an invalid setup, if the market turned and came and broke above here, I would have waited for confirmation whether if it's a overall breakout, or I would find in confirmation if it's a reversal. So as I said, from the 4-hour time frame, this is my third touch, and I said that you only need 3 reversals or touches to confirm your key level or zone. So here I see a reversal, my first reversal, second reversal here. This is my third reversal. Third reversal. Normally third touches or reversals are powerful, and there's a higher chance the market might reverse. As you can see here, you would have either set your take profit level according to your pattern, or you would have set your take profit according to your zones or your key levels. So say okay, me personally, I would place it via my my support here, and set take profit 1 here at this level here, and my take profit 2 and my take profit 3. Then once it breaks out of my take profit 1, I would move my stop loss to break even. So that if the market reverses, it would have took me out, it would have been a break even, and a positive result. Yes, the positive result. So yes, that's how you would use support and resistance key levels for you to trade. So that's it from me, guys. Hope you have a great trading experience. Goodbye.